are a lot of protein shakes out in the market today. And when you go to the health food store and you look at the aisle, it can get very confusing and very daunting really fast. So in today's video, what I wanted to cover were two shakes that I have used personally and that I wanted to talk about with you guys, so you can look at them and compare the two and decide what's best for you. So the two shakes that we're going to look at today are going to be the Nutrisystem ProSync and the Clean Simple Eats Protein Shake. The Clean Simple Eats, you might not have heard of that. It is a smaller company, which I do like, but we'll talk about that a little bit later on in the video. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to cover the nutritional information in both of the shakes. We're going to take a look at the ingredients in both of the shakes. And we're also going to take a look at what it costs per month to be on that shake and taking it every single month. So stick around, we're going to go over that information, and then we'll talk about some other options to add into your protein shake at the end of this video. So make sure you stick around because I got some great tips on what you can add in to boost the nutritional value in your shake. All right, so the first shake we're going to take a look at is the Nutrisystem ProSync. Nutrisystem has two flavors. So it comes with the vanilla, and you can also get chocolate. So that's pretty much your options as far as that goes. So this particular container, it says it's 14 servings per container. So if you wanted to have a full month's worth of protein shakes, having one shake per day, you would have to get 2 of these containers. Now this one container, as of today, the price might change later, but as of right now, you can get this shake on Amazon for $37.99. Again, that only covers 2 weeks, so if you do a full month, it's going to cost you $75.98 for a full month's worth of protein shakes. This particular shake is 120 calories. It has 2.5 grams of total fat, and it has 12 grams of total carbohydrates. It does have 6 grams of dietary fiber, so it is high in fiber, which is wonderful. And it only has 3 grams of total sugars. It says it includes 2 grams of added sugars, and then it does have 15 grams of protein. So not that bad. It's a great protein shake as far as, it's got a high content of protein, low fat, and the dietary fiber is pretty high on this shake. As far as the ingredients goes, the first ingredient in this list, just so you know, there are 28 ingredients in the Nutrisystem protein shake. The first one is a milk protein concentrate, and then the second ingredient is resistant maltodextrin, and in parentheses it says dietary fiber. Third ingredient says whey protein concentrate, and then it goes on from there to list the other ingredients. Something that is listed in this ingredient list, just for your information, it does include fructose. It has sodium caseinate, and also, let's see here, sunflower oil. Just a few of the things that are in there. So you have to decide if those are ingredients you want to have in your shake or not. The other thing about Nutrisystem, they do have what on their label says contains a bioengineered food ingredient. So I'm just putting this information out there. It depends on what you want in your body and what you don't want in your body. So that's it for the ingredient list on this protein shake. It does taste good. I have to be honest. It's a very creamy, tastes good shake. So if you're gonna get it, if you get the vanilla, it does taste good. Their chocolate tastes good as well. I've tried both of them, and I do like the way they taste. They are thick, and they are very tasty. So now let's move on to Clean Simple Eats. If you like this information I'm providing for you right now, please subscribe to our channel. Me and my husband JR, we are on a weight loss journey, and we had realized after a long time, we had put on a lot of weight. We wanted to lose weight and get healthy along the way. And this channel is all about people just like you who are on that same journey, who are looking for tips and hacks and different information to get healthy and lose weight. If that's you, definitely subscribe to this channel. We would really appreciate it. And click that notification bell. That way the next video that comes out, you'll be the first one to see it and you'll be able to get that information. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, let's take a look at Clean Simple Eats. This is not a protein shake that I actually found at Walmart or at any other health food store. I haven't particularly seen it there. I've only found it from a Google search because I was looking for more of a non-GMO, organic type of protein shake. That was just a preference for me. And I happened to find this company, and they do sell them on Amazon. So let's take a look at this. So this bag is, it says it has 1 scoop, and it says serving per container 30, which means that this bag will last a whole month. So there's 30 servings in here, and the one bag, as of right now, the price might change later, but right now, a bag of this protein shake is $59.98. So it's a pretty good value. So let's take a look at the nutritional information. It says that 1 serving is 104 calories, 0 grams of fat, and 0 grams of saturated fat. Total carbs, 6 grams of total carbs. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. It's saying that it has 5 grams of total sugars, no added sugars, so 0 grams added sugars, and 20 grams of protein. And it does contain 1 milligram of iron, which Nutrisystem did not have any iron in their nutritional information. So this is definitely no fat, very low carbs, and a really high content of protein. The other ingredients, this only has 13 ingredients in it, so it is almost half of what Nutrisystem's ingredients list are. The number 1 ingredient in this protein shake is whey protein isolate. It does contain prebiotic Vita Fiber, IMO, and also coconut oil. So it's saying in parentheses MCT, 50%. And it does contain cocoa powder, sea salt, stevia leaf extract, and monk fruit. Okay, so this does say it contains milk and tree nut, which in parentheses says coconut, so, and peanut butter and sesame. So I'm just putting that out there. This just happens to be the chocolate peanut butter flavor. They actually have, if you look on Amazon or if you go directly to the website, they have a huge list of flavors. So it's definitely one thing I really liked about Simple Clean Eats is they had a lot more varieties rather than just chocolate and vanilla. I happen to just get the chocolate peanut butter because I just like it, but they had a dark chocolate, they had mint chocolate, and the list goes on. So you can take a look, and I'll put a link below so you can take a look at their website, and also if you wanted to order from Amazon, you can do that as well. They both, Amazon does carry their product. All right, so I covered pretty much the basics as far as each shake goes. We took a look at their ingredient lists, part of them, and we took a look at the nutritional information, serving size, costs, and so forth. Now, I am not a doctor. I am not trying to give you any advice. I'm just giving you my own opinion, but I tend to like the Clean Simple Protein better than I like Nutrisystem. Now, Clean Simple Protein does taste good as well. It tastes just as good as the Nutrisystem. But some of the things I really did like about the Clean Simple Eats was that it is a little bit more organic, less, it's non-GMO, less ingredients. So those are things that are just important to me. And the reason why it is because when you're drinking a protein shake every day, that's just one time. Let's just say you'd have 2 protein shakes a day. That's ingredients that's compounding into your body. So if we're looking to get healthier, and health, is a big factor in your life, and you're thinking about foods and choices that you want to put into your body, then looking at Clean Simple Eats might be something that you want to consider. And just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. I do not get paid from either company. Again, I'm just doing this so you have better information. So no one's sponsoring me, no one's paying me to do this. I just decided this is something I wanted to help you guys with, so you have the information so you can be a better informed consumer. So the other thing I did really like about the Clean Simple Eats was that it does contain MCT oil. So if you're not already consuming MCT oil, then in this protein shake, you'll actually get that into your diet. The other thing I liked was the prebiotic Vita Fiber. So prebiotics and probiotics, those are all great things for gut health. So I did appreciate that that was in there. So anyway, that's just what I wanted to cover today. I just wanted to do a comparison of the two shakes that I have taken that I've really enjoyed both of them, but I just simply like Clean Simple Eats because it just has less ingredients. It doesn't contain a bioengineered ingredient. I can't even really do any research on that. I'm not really sure what that is. If you're okay with it, then that's fine. It's just something that I'm just not really familiar with, so I don't have that much information about it. And I will put links below for both of these shakes depending on which one you'd rather get, and you can decide from there. All right, now that we've talked about Nutrisystem protein shake versus Clean Simple Eats protein shake, the decision is really up to you. You might not even have that protein shake and maybe try a different one. But what I really wanted to talk to you about today was tricks that you can do to add more nutritional value into whatever protein shake that you buy. So one of my favorite things I like to do, I love vanilla protein shakes, and I love the other flavors as well. But one of the things I really love, especially when it comes to, like, let's say a vanilla protein shake, something that I add into all my shakes is some ground flaxseed. Flaxseed adds extra fiber into your protein shake. When we looked at Nutrisystem's shake versus Clean Eats, Nutrisystem did have a little bit more fiber over Clean Simple Eats. So an easy fix for that is just add flax seeds to that. Another thing you can do is add some fruit. So I have a confession, I love vanilla protein shakes with frozen cherries. It is just so divine. And cherries have so many antioxidants properties to them. They're just really good to consume. So you can add frozen cherries, frozen blueberries, frozen bananas. You get the point. There's just so many things you can do to dress up your protein shake and add nutritional value to it. Another thing that you might think about doing is adding chia seeds. Chia seeds have a lot of great benefits as well. You can add that into your shake. So again, you just have to go out there, find the protein shake that you like, what tastes good to you, take a look at the ingredients, take a look at the nutritional value, and then you make the decision. Again, I have links below. If you decide that you like Nutrisystem or you want to try the Clean Simple Eats, then definitely check out those links and then go from there. So if you can, definitely drop me some comments down below. I really want to hear your opinion. If there's other protein shakes that you've tried that you think I might like, I would love to hear that. Again, we're all in this together. We're all on this journey of trying to lose weight and get healthier. And the whole commitment and community here is to help one another with tips, tricks, hacks on what we're each doing to help each other. So if you like this information, again, please subscribe. It does help our channel. Click that notification bell, and I would love to hear from you. So comment below. All right, until next time, stay healthy and happy.